Stuck in the Fortnite infinite login loop? Here is how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Restart the game and your device. Sometimes a quick reboot clears temporary login issues. Step 2. Check Fortnite servers status. If servers are down for maintenance, you'll keep looping no matter what, so wait until they're back online. Like the time of recording this video, I found that there was an issue in the Fortnite matchmaking, so it was fixed. Step 3. Clear cache files. On PC, go to the Epic Games launcher, click settings, then clear cache. On console, power cycle by turning it off completely and unplugging for 30 seconds. Step 4. Unlink and relink your Epic Games account. Log in on a browser, go to account settings, and ensure your console or platform account is properly linked. Step 5. Reset your password. Sometimes account security flags cause loops. Change your password through Epic's official website, then log back in. And as a last resort, reinstall Fortnite if nothing works. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.